Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today has some serious good opportunities, especially for Monstack, AI ML and Gen AI people. And one of these companies is literally working on LLMs. So today I have three amazing opportunities, including internship and full-time roles. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first company is SquareYards and they are hiring for the role of full stack engineer. This is a full-time role for 2026 graduates. Location is Mumbai and the package is around 7 to 8 LPA. Now this role is mainly for people who already know Monstack basics. So if you have worked with ReactJS, NodeJS, Express or MongoDB in projects or internship, then this opportunity is really good. In this role, you will be building web applications using React and Node. You will work on front-end components, back-end APIs, databases and scalable systems. They are also expecting knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, PostgreSQL, and Git. One good thing is that they also mentioned AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot in preferred skills. So companies are now expecting developers to actually use AI tools in the development workflows. Now coming to the eligibility, this role is specifically for 2026 graduates and they prefer candidates who have already some experience in internship or in a full stack project. So if you are practicing merge stack consistently, definitely apply for this one. Now coming to the second opportunity, and this one is from Teal India, and this one is super interesting for AI and machine learning people. They are hiring AI ML engineer interns. This is an in-office internship in Bangalore. The stipend is around 3 to 3.6 LPA, which is decent for an internship. Now listen carefully because the tech stack here is actually very modern. They are working on things like NLP, OCR, vector databases, semantic search, RAG system, and transformers. Basically, this is not a normal internship. You will actually work on real AI pipelines and production level workflows. Your work will include cleaning datasets, training and evaluating models, working on search systems, OCR pipelines, ranking systems, and deploying ML APIs. Skills they are looking for include Python, machine learning, fast API, Docker, Elastic, and Gen AI concept. Even if you don't know every single technology mentioned here, still apply if your fundamentals are strong. For education, they are open to candidates with good programming, machine learning fundamentals, so students interested in these domains can apply definitely. Now let's move on to the third opportunity, and this one is also from Teal India, and this one is for people interested in data engineering. They are hiring for the role of data engineer intern, and this is a 3-month summer internship based in Bangalore, and it's a full-time in-office role. The stipend is around 3 to 3.6 LPA, which is decent, which is same as previous internship. Now, this role is actually very good because you will work across the complete data lifecycle. Your work will include data scraping from websites and APIs, cleaning and structuring large data sets, and automating workflows. They are mainly looking for candidates who are good with Python and problem solving. Skills they mention include Python, SQL, machine learning basics, web scraping, AWS, and GCP. One important thing is that they clearly mention that they care more about how you think and solve problems rather than just your resume. And one more thing important I would say is the so even if you don't know every single technology here, you can still apply if your fundamentals are strong and Git version control is required. This internship can give really good practical exposure because you will work with messy real world datasets, automation systems, parsers, and scalable data workflows. They also mention experience with Elasticsearch, OCR tools like TestAct, and observability tools like Grafana as good to have skills. For eligibility, they are looking for candidates available for 3 months and people comfortable working in fast paced environments. So, if you are learning Python, data engineering, AI, or backend automation, this is definitely worth applying for. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities. First one is for 2026 graduates for a full stack engineer role. Second one is a AI/ML engineer internship, and third one is a data engineering internship. All the apply link are in the description box. Apply as soon as possible because fresher roles get a lot of application very quickly. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.